Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one I'm doing GP patient survey. So what have we got? Data back to 2011, up to the year just gone, 2022, and more data will go in when it comes out. It's a huge dataset, 214 million rows of data, and you can see the tables here and their descriptions. It's very big, so I'm not going to query all the tables, and really the only useful table for understanding what's in there is this last one. So I just queried one of the fact tables and the dimension one. Integrated care system level unweighted. You get the idea having a look at this. Organisation codes, field and the value. And then you'd use this table, reporting variables, to see what the variables mean. If I just page up a few, I won't page through all of them, it's too many. You get this sort of idea. So to get a full appreciation of this data set, ask for a free trial and have a play. Thanks.